Been a busy day, but already get started on the little Honda. I'm gonna put a starter in there. I believe it's the one where you got to jack it up and it's up underneath there, back side of the motor. It's gonna be great. Yeah, just getting started on it. The starter is starting to go out, by the way. It's starting to go out, doing the infamous click, click, click kind of thing every once in a while. I'm gonna test the battery while I'm here. I'm gonna do that before I go any farther, matter of fact. Alright, where this starter lives at is not cool. Hondas used to actually put their oil filters back here. Now they put them on the front side of the engine. Yeah, wiggle back in here, but up in there, right there. I'm still not touching it, but yeah, there it is. That's it right there. That's where that little starter lives. So, gotta dig it out of there. Give birth to the baby rhinoceros. Alright, so I have birthed the original Honda starter. About ready to put the new one in there. Yep. It's gonna be great. That's my favorite saying. It's gonna be great. I've noticed that. It's gonna be great. Exclamation point. Got the new starter up in there. Yeah, it fits back in there. Here, let me show you. These things just put in there special the way that the wires that bolt to the starter. Let me show you. These two here, they're actually up on the inside where you cannot access them. Nor that bolt. This bolt is a special type of bolt where the thread's out here like regular. However, it has a shoulder like a head on a bolt, and then it's long and it has the actual bolt head out here so you can access it. Because like this bolt in particular, this one ain't nothing to get to, but getting to this bolt, which by the way blocks off the rest, I don't know, it's like you pray to the lost soulless sea of 10mm sockets that you don't strip out the threads on it. Let's see. Yeah, you can't. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe you can see it up in there. Come on, focus. It's right there. Right there. Focus. Okay, it's not wanting to focus, but it's right there. I can see. Yeah, there it is. Okay, zoom in. No, lost focus. Focus. Anyway. Oh, somebody's trying to call me. Yeah. There ain't no space to work. You gotta have like quadruple elbows in each arm. Alright, let me answer this call. What you're looking at there is the window, the fuel pump, and the starter relay. And that was what was buzzing because the voltage wasn't coming through right from the ignition switch. By the way, I'm taking this video now. I already got the new one in there. I'm just doing a reenactment, and this is with the old one. You'll hear it go buzz here in a minute as soon as I figure out one. Okay, turn it off board, and oh, did you hear it? You know that little let me set this up there by the relays. Okay, yeah, so let me plug in the other ignition switch. Yeah. Plug it in. Well, unplug it to plug it in. That's how that works. You gotta unplug the old one. Plug in the new one. Turn the key forward. No more buzzy hesitation to start. Might crank, might not. All that is good to go. Alright, I'm gonna put it back together and we'll go have wipe that off for you and knock the stuff out of the thing there, little crumbs. You know how it is, stuff gets down in there.